Today, we're diving into how to use the law of attraction to navigate life's challenges, whether it's stress, anxiety, or obstacles in achieving your goals. We'll explore how shifting your mindset, raising your vibration, and manifesting resilience can help you overcome life's toughest moments. Let's get started. The first step to using the law of attraction in overcoming challenges is shifting from a problem-focused mindset to a solution-focused mindset. When we're faced with obstacles, it's easy to fixate on the problem, replaying worries in our minds, which keeps us stuck in a lower vibration. Instead, try redirecting your energy towards solutions. This means focusing on what you can do rather than what you can't. A helpful question to ask is, what can I learn from this? Or what small step can I take today to move forward? By actively looking for solutions, you're sending a powerful message to the universe that you're ready for growth, and you'll start to attract ideas, people, or opportunities that support your journey. Tip: write down your problem, then list 3 possible solutions or action steps. This shifts your focus, bringing you closer to resolution. When facing challenges, keeping your vibration high is essential for attracting positive outcomes. High vibrations are aligned with feelings of gratitude, peace, and joy, while low vibrations are linked to worry, stress, and fear. Practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts your attention from what's wrong to what's going well. Try listing 3 things you're grateful for each day, no matter how small. Meditate or breathe deeply. Meditation and deep breathing help calm the mind, releasing stress and creating space for solutions to arise. Engage in uplifting activities. Surround yourself with positivity, whether it's music, books, or friends who uplift you. By raising your vibration, you create an energetic environment that's more open to solutions, creativity, and resilience, helping you handle challenges with greater ease. Visualization for strength. Each day, spend a few minutes visualizing yourself overcoming challenges successfully. Affirmations for resilience. Use affirmations that reinforce your ability to grow and adapt. Examples include, I am strong and capable. Every challenge makes me stronger, or I find solutions with ease. Script and personal growth. Write down how you want to feel on the other side of this challenge. And there you have it. By shifting to a solution-focused mindset, raising your vibration, and using manifestation techniques for resilience, you can use the law of attraction to turn challenges into growth opportunities. Remember, every obstacle is a chance to strengthen yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use these tips. Let us know in the comments how you stay positive through challenges and keep manifesting the resilience you need to thrive. And click the link below this video for more help with the law of attraction.